friends. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Saint-Siméon de Bonaventure, Quebec, is a charming little village in the Gaspé Peninsula. This peaceful town is surrounded by stunning natural beauty, and has a rich history that's sure to make you fall in love with it. Saint-Siméon de Bonaventure is known for its close connection to the Bonaventure River, a popular spot for kayaking and canoeing. This crystal-clear river runs through the area, offering amazing views and opportunities for outdoor fun. If you're a fan of hiking or biking, you'll love the trails around here, like the scenic Sentier-Leclerc. It's an easy hike with breathtaking views of the river and surrounding landscapes. This village is also part of the Charlevoix-Est area, where you can take in the stunning coastal scenery. Point Taylor, a local viewpoint, is a great spot to admire the bay's beauty. The area is perfect for exploring nature, whether you're walking along the beach, taking a boat tour, or simply soaking in the peaceful vibes. For history buffs, Saint-Siméon de Bonaventure offers a unique heritage experience. The La Ruelle Ibert-Germain site features a heritage trail with interpretation panels that tell the story of the local Arsenault Gallagher house and the families who live there. This trail is accessible and a wonderful way to learn about the area's cultural history. Whether you're here to enjoy outdoor adventures, soak up the history, or simply relax, Saint-Siméon de Bonaventure is a hidden gem waiting to be explored.